Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and in today's video I'm going to tell you one thing that has the power to change your life completely, and it is also the first step towards transformation. So in today's video I'm going to tell you one habit that in my opinion is the most powerful habit, and if you can develop it and follow it every day, then there is a very high chance that you will be a completely different person just after a few months. So today I will tell you what that powerful thing is. So please watch the whole video and please subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, that if you are suffering from any problem or if you want me to make a video on any topic, then please message me on Instagram. I will soon post a video on it. My Insta ID is also in the description below. Now let's start the video. So whenever we talk about powerful habits, there are few common habits that come into our minds, like waking up early or reading every day or exercising daily or doing meditation every day or eating healthy food. But there is one habit that you need to build before developing any other habit. Many people, or I would say almost everybody, tell me in the comment section or they also message me on Instagram and they say they are not regular in anything. They are not able to do anything consistently. They meditate one day and the other day they don't. And this happens with everybody and it applies to all the habits. Some people say that they are not able to exercise daily. Some people say that they are not able to meditate daily. And some people say that they are not regular in reading. So what is the reason behind all this? What is that mistake that everybody is doing because of which they are not able to do anything consistently? Actually, it's pretty simple, and it is that they don't have a fixed routine in their life. They don't have a fixed routine, and this is what you need to do anything regularly. You need a fixed routine in your life. And in today's video, I am going to tell you the first step towards a fixed routine. And the first step or the habit that I'm going to tell you is so powerful that it has the power to change your life completely. So I would request you to please develop this habit before developing any other habit. Now, what is that habit that I want you to develop? It is waking up at the same time every single day. You need to wake up at a fixed time every day. It doesn't matter whether you wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning or at 10 a.m. in the morning, but you need to wake up at the same time every day. Now, all the successful people in the world have a different time of waking up. Some wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning, some wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning, and some wake up at 8 a.m. in the morning. But there is one thing in common in all of them, that they wake up at the same time every single day. If you are not able to wake up at the same time every day, then you will never be able to do anything regularly, because you are just starting your day with a mistake. And how can you expect yourself to do anything correctly if you are just failing at the first step? So you have to wake up at the same time every single day, and I promise you that you will be a completely transformed person in just few months. So this is what I want you to do. Now, if you don't know what to do after waking up, then I've posted a separate video on that. The link will be in the description, so you can watch it from there. Now, if you have any question in your mind, then you can always ask me in the comment section below. Or if you want me to make a video on any other topic, then please message me on Instagram. My Insta ID is also in the description below. So this is all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.